Snowfall averages 300 plus inches on this pass where we're at today. Here's the road. You can see some of the mountains in the background. It's following some historic trails along the road. We're on Highway 26 right now. And the tie hack memorial. Ties were made from trees hacked and cut by hand, hence the name tie hack. Tie hacks were a special breed of loggers who could quickly fell, limb a tree, and fashion the tie down to the specifications demanded. A horse and wagon hauled the ties out. Cutting was done in the winter because it was easier to strip off bark and drag ties over the snow. I'm going to take you up the hill too to see the memorial. Okay, now we're going to go up the hill to see the memorial. It's a little windy. Oh, but look at this view. Look down there. Okay, get the rest of the way up. Look at this. So beautiful. So here we're on the other side of the memorial now. It's very windy up here. This is erected to perpetuate the memory of the Hardy Woods and River men who delivered the cross ties for the building and maintenance of the Chicago and Northwestern Railway in this western country. Wyoming Tie and Timber Company, 1946. That's when this was erected. Definitely worth a stop if you're on Highway 26 going from DuBois into the Tetons.